Hey guys! Welcome back! It's been a while. Sorry kasi balik din ako sa work after the quarantine. So, medyo busy. It's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-unbox. So, we're back here anyway. And I'm going to unbox the Redmi 9A. This one. Actually, I'm not expecting too much from this phone sa performance kasi entry level lang siya. Pero kahit lang siya, tingin natin baka, let's see, baka may maganda rin siyang performance dito. Baka mayroon din siyang okay na aspect sa phone na to. I bought this phone sa physical store near our mall and it cost around 4,690 pesos. So, tingnan natin kung meron siya may magandang features and then let's go open this box. So, ayun nga guys, back to work tayo. Medyo busy, no time for unboxing. And alam niyo naman guys, na matako sa oras ng editing. Anyway, ito na yung phone. Set aside muna natin. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, andito na yung SIM card ejector pin. The usual. Charger, this one, and the micro USB cord, this one. Unfortunately, wala siyang jelly case. Wala ring earphone. So, common lang sa mga entry-level phone na walang jelly case and then walang earphone. So, ito na yung phone. It says 6.53 HD dot drop display, 5,000 mAh high capacity battery, and MediaTek Helio G25 with 13 megapixel AI rear camera. Okay, sa likod. Tanggalin natin. Ito rin, tanggalin natin. Ang nakuha kong color is granite gray. Other color available is peacock green and sky blue. Maganda siya. Dark gray yung dating sa atin. Dark gray. Tapos meron siya ditong logo. Redmi. Ito, Redmi. Yeah. Mukhang elegant yung dating ng phone para sa akin yung color. Maganda. And no screen protector also. So, the variant that I have is, nakasulat sa back,
2 GB of
RAM
RAM
and 32 GB of ROM. Expandable naman siya. Expandable siya. Kung napawakan naman, tama lang sa kamay ko. Power button, nandito siya. Volume control, nandito na rin siya. And then, the loudspeaker and the charging port, micro USB,
and the microphone.
and then nandito na rin for the SIM card and the expandable memory slot. And good thing, for the earphone, ito yun, earphone jack, nasa taas na. So, tamang-tama, kasi ang weird pag earphone jack nasa ilalim, mas lalo na pag nasa pocket natin yung phone, nakabaliktad yung phone, nandito yung earphone jack. So, mas maganda nga, hindi itong idea sa taas. So, turn on natin yung phone. The display type of this phone is IPS LCD. Hindi siya gaanong bright kanina nung lumabas ako kasi maaraw. So, kailangan nasa shade tayo pag gagamitin itong phone para kita mo talaga. Naka full bright na to. Yung screen size naman is 6.53 inches with HD Plus display. So, medyo malaki siya. And yung resolution is 720 by 1600 pixels. The OS of this phone is Android 10 MIUI 12. With the chipset of MediaTek Helio G25. So, tingnan natin yung performance sa MediaTek Helio G25 na chipset. Baka maganda pala sa gaming, di ba? And performance ng phone. Sa camera naman, we have one main camera which is 13 megapixels AI camera. Front camera, we have 5 megapixels selfie camera. Yung main camera can record video up to 1080p 60 fps, while yung front camera is 1080p 30 fps quality. When it comes sa battery, it has 5,000 mAh battery. So very generous na rin ang 5,000 mAh na battery, which is feeling ko tatagal naman tong phone na to sa bago nating i-recharge. Meron daw long-lasting battery life of 25% compared to other phones, and it supports 10 watts charging. For the security, yung unlocking ng phone, you can do AI face unlocking phone. Medyo mabilis naman siya. Ayun, less than 1 second. Wala siya finger scanning unlocking sa front, sa side, or sa back. True pattern lang siya, and face unlocking, and the pin number. Medyo high-tech na rin siya para sa entry-level phone. So guys, conclusion on my initial impression of this phone and initial review of this phone is, kung ang purpose mo of buying of this phone is watching videos sa Netflix or YouTube or family videos, okay itong phone kasi colorful siya and then medyo malaki yung screen. When it comes to gaming, yung mga light games lang ang pwede dito, like Subway Surfer, Candy Crush, and other light games. So, hindi siya best for heavy games itong phone. Pictures and videos, don't expect na masyado maganda yung pictures and videos from this camera. Pero sa pag-test ko ng camera of this phone, yung picture and video quality is parang above standard pa nga except pag night mode. Very grainy, may mga noise pagdating sa night mode, especially sa video. So, don't expect too much from this phone. Tingin nyo lang na parang standard siya ng mga quality ng video and phone. Pero pwede na rin siya for Facebook posting ng pag magpo-post ka ng pictures and videos. Ganun na rin sa Instagram. Medyo matagal pag nag-open ka ng apps and pag magbabrowse ka tapos nag-i-scroll up and down ka, medyo nahuhuli din siya. Ewan ko kung busy yung phone kanina sa pag-update ng files. What I like from this phone is hindi siya madamot when it comes to screen recording, meron siya. And what I really like is yung nagva-vibrate pag nagpipindot ka sa phone o pag nagsasend ka ng message, nagta-type ka, nagva-vibrate yung phone. Yun ang gusto ko dito sa Redmi, Xiaomi phone. Hindi sila madamot when it comes to that. And then another thing what I like about this phone is may FM radio. When it comes to loudspeaker, clear naman siya and very loud naman siya for me kasi nag-play din ako ng music kanina to test the loudspeaker of this phone. Again, kung mahilig ka manood ng movies and then YouTube videos, this phone is okay. I recommend this phone because of the screen size of this phone. For the price, worth it. Sulit naman yung price dito. Pahabol lang pala. Another thing na cons about this phone is yung charger port. Kasi gamit nila is micro USB charging port. Again, if you have a budget 5,000 below, I recommend this phone. Why? Malaki yung screen, maganda yung loudspeaker, maganda when watching YouTube and other videos. Picture quality is okay. So, there you go guys. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo in deciding whether to buy this phone. Ako, I would buy this phone. Kasi may kasambahay kami gusto bumili ng phone. Nagtatanong sa akin kung anong magandang phone. And then, I suggested to buy this kind of phone. Or this model of phone. Kasi sinabi niya rin sa akin kung magkano yung budget. So, I did not lie. Sabi ko bilhin na to, Redmi 9A. So, guys, thank you for watching again. And see you next time. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And bye!